YouTube channel GM Updater, the 2025 modified Jaguar A-Type has taken the automotive world by storm, seamlessly blending classic elegance with cutting-edge technology. Widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, the original A-Type, launched in 1961, set new standards in design and performance. Now, in 2025, this legendary vehicle has been reimagined to meet the demands of modern enthusiasts while preserving its iconic heritage. The modified 2025 Jaguar A-Type retains the timeless curves and sleek profile that made the original model a classic. However, beneath the vintage exterior lies a host of advanced upgrades. The traditional inline-six V12 engines have been replaced with an all-electric powertrain, delivering instant torque and zero emissions. This eco-friendly transformation allows the A-Type to achieve exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that rivals contemporary sports cars. With a battery range of over 300 mil, this modernized version ensures practicality without compromising performance. The interior of the 2025 A-Type is a perfect fusion of classic craftsmanship and modern luxury. High-quality leather upholstery, handcrafted wooden accents, and minimalist design pay homage to the original aesthetic. At the same time, state-of-the-art features like a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance technologies provide the convenience and safety expected in a modern vehicle. Handling and ride quality have also been significantly enhanced. The updated suspension system and adaptive damping ensure a smooth and responsive driving experience. The addition of regenerative braking and advanced traction control systems further enhances the car's performance, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding country roads. What sets the 2025 modified Jaguar A-Type apart is the attention to detail and customization options available to buyers. Owners can choose from a range of bespoke paint finishes, wheel designs, and interior materials, allowing them to create a truly unique and personalized vehicle. The restoration process is handled by expert craftsmen who meticulously preserve the original bodywork while integrating modern components. Thus, reimagined A-Type not only appeals to classic car enthusiasts but also attracts eco-conscious drivers who appreciate sustainable technology without sacrificing style and performance. The electric conversion not only reduces the car's carbon footprint but also future-proofs it against increasingly strict emission regulations. In addition to its stunning looks and impressive performance, the 2025 modified Jaguar A-Type offers a nostalgic driving experience with a modern twist. The silent yet powerful electric motor delivers an exhilarating ride, while the classic design turns heads wherever it goes. This perfect blend of past and future makes the 2025 A-Type a true masterpiece in the world of automotive engineering. In conclusion, the 2025 modified Jaguar A-Type is more than just a car, it is a symbol of innovation and heritage. By combining the elegance of the past with the technology of the future, this iconic vehicle has been reborn for a new generation of drivers who crave both style and sustainability.